The Insta360 ONE X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the ONE X anywhere and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is TimeShift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
This is Skydio R1. These guys would tell you that it's a fully autonomous flying camera that's built around the most advanced tracking and navigation system ever flown, using the power of artificial intelligence to see the world through 13 cameras, ultra-precise visual tracking, deep neural networks to map and understand the world around it, a prediction system that looks 4 seconds into the future to determine its trajectory, and a continually expanding set of software-defined cinematic skills. But to put it simply, R1 is a drone that flies itself so that you can get awesome 4K footage of the cool stuff that you like to do, without having to worry about hitting obstacles or crashing or, flying it at all. Yeah, did we mention that it's a flying robot? R1 puts people at the center of the story, and because you don't need a pilot, you can focus on you and your adventures. Here's how easy it is to use R1. Open the Skydio app on your phone, swipe up to launch it, tell R1 who or what you want it to follow, and you're off. Your flying robot buddy up there will capture your world in 4K and not run into stuff while it does it. R1 follows you on its own, but you can tell it to capture different types of shots on the fly from the app, like droney, boomerang, and rocket, just to name a few. Or if you want a little more creative control of your epic footage, you can do things like set up a virtual cable cam for that cool reveal shot you had in mind. Yeah, that one looks about right. All of these skills and shots are accessible in a few taps on your phone, or even your Apple Watch. So yeah, that's the Skydio R1, an obstacle-avoiding, self-flying, 4K capturing, AI-powered robot companion of the future. From capturing your family bike ride to off-roading with friends, to taking your vacation selfies up quite a few notches. Todd, we get it. Your vacation was more awesome than ours. R1 uses some incredible technology to help you make incredible memories easily. With R1 and the Skydio app, you've just upped your video making game by, well, a bunch. You can film it yourself and even export and share it right from the app, presumably with all of your non-robot friends.
This is XPUM, a portable home theater system that gives you the power to unleash a surround sound effect at the touch of your fingertips. This gumstick-sized device simplifies the complex equipment traditionally needed for a home theater system and gives you that same high-quality audio experience with just a pair of stereo speakers. And we've finally come up with a device that is designed to be conveniently portable and that eliminates all the complicated settings of a sound processor to make the listening experience better for everyone.
What you're about to witness is a typical team meeting with the meeting owl. Meet Jane, who's running the meeting. And here's Morgan, who's attending the meeting from 100 miles away. However, despite the distance, she feels like she's right there in the room with the team, thanks to The Meeting Owl. A 360-degree conferencing camera that sits in the center of the table and gives your remote folks a more inclusive experience. If you've ever used a webcam before, you know how to use the Meeting Owl. All Jane has to do is plug in the power and the USB and load up her favorite video conferencing platform. Then, kick off your meeting, and the 360 camera will automatically focus on whoever is talking. You also get a panorama at the top so you can see the whole room. Above all else, you need to be able to hear everybody. And everyone hears Morgan loud and clear through the 360 speaker.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready to make it happen.
Great. You want to get us started?
Of course.
If this team were using another camera, Morgan's experience would have been pretty terrible. She wouldn't be able to see whoever's talking, or she might be stuck staring at the back of someone's head. Or it'd even be impossible to figure out what the heck is going on. And we all know meetings crowded around a laptop are the worst. No one wants that. Jane made the right choice. The Meeting Owl changes everything. And there's something else that makes the Meeting Owl pretty special. It connects to Wi-Fi. That means you get new features automatically over time, like meeting analytics on your smartphone. The Meeting Owl helps everyone. Better, more inclusive meetings for all your teammates, both in the office and remote. Meeting Owl, because every teammate deserves a seat at the table.
We love music, and we don't want anything to get in the way of how it sounds. But placing speakers on a surface leads to sound quality loss. Not anymore. Welcome to the future of wireless sound. Introducing Mars, the levitating portable Bluetooth speaker with high-fidelity sound, subwoofer, and 8 hours of battery life. Mars is equipped with an ultra-thin 1.75-inch high-frequency horn. By using a world-renowned audio compression solution, it retains the full integrity of original digital audio and is optimized for real-time zero-loss audio streaming. 360-degree hi-fi sound projection means there's no back of the speaker, and everyone gets the best spot in the room. The ultra-durable levitating speaker is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, waterproof up to 3 feet deep, and is also magnetic. In the office, Mars doubles as a speakerphone with its built-in high-sensitivity microphone. And the portable subwoofer has 2 USB ports for charging your phone during long conference calls. Mars can also adjust its volume based on your proximity to the device and can be controlled with your phone. We believe that our technology will forever change the way you listen to music. Mars, elevate your audio.
Yeah, move with it. Move with it. Yeah, move with it. Move with it. Yeah, move with it.